Hi everyone! Welcome to another episode of Foodie Pinoy. Today, we're going to cook a hearty and easy Filipino tomato-based dish, Pork Giniling. Here are the ingredients. 300 grams minced pork, 1 medium-sized onion, 3 cloves garlic, half cup red bell pepper cut into strips, 1 cup potato diced, 1 cup carrots diced, half cup tomato ketchup, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, salt, and pepper. Heat around 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. Saute the garlic and onion and mix until fragrant. Add the minced pork and mix it up to loosen up and disintegrate. Add the potato and carrots. Mix it up again to combine with the rest of the ingredients. Cover and let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes until the meat and veggies are tender. After 7 minutes, add the bell pepper, tomato ketchup, and soy sauce. Mix it up to let the seasoning blend well with the ingredients. Add some water if it gets too dry. We want our pork giniling to have some sauce. Cover and simmer in low-medium heat for 4 minutes. Lastly, season with salt and pepper and mix well. Give it a taste to check if it's seasoned properly. And it's done! Here's our pork giniling recipe. This sweet and savory dish is perfect for lunch and dinner, and a good baon idea also. You can serve this with egg and warm rice. Enjoy! Hi guys! Did you like this recipe? Let us know in the comment section below. Hit like if you enjoyed this video. This will help us know that you are enjoying our content. If you haven't subscribed yet, click subscribe button and make sure to click also the bell icon so you'll get notified once we release new videos. Until next time, this is Foodie Pinoy saying goodbye and it's a wrap!